Hello everybody and welcome to another Mystery Box Function Challenge. In this purple mystery box there is some math and your challenge is to figure out what it is. You can try this out by going to the link in the description, and when you've got an idea come on back and see if we get the same thing. I'm going to start with a 0. Okay, 0 gives us -1. How about a 1? So we're already way off the graph at 39. Let's see if this pattern continues though. Let's put in a 2. 79. Let's put in a -1. And that's giving us -41. I'm just going to put in a -2 as well. And that gives us a -81. So we don't have a lot to go on visually here. We've just got that one point that made it onto the graph. Can you tell what's going on here? My hunch is that we have a linear function, because from -1 to 39, that's going up 40. And then from 39 to 79 is going up another 40. And then when we went in the other direction, we go from this -1 at 0 down to -41. That's down 40. So when we're going the other way, we're going down. So I think we've got a very steep line. And let's see, -41 to -81, that's another down 40. And the slope is a positive 40, and the y-intercept is -1. So that's my hunch. So let me write that function out. So that'd be f of x equals 40x minus 1. I suppose since we're really not seeing much of the graph at all, maybe this could be an absolute value function. So I might want to check and see, does it come back down? Do we see something further out? And I guess what I would expect then is, as we go further and further to the right, the numbers would stay positive and get bigger and bigger. So I could even throw in something totally off the graph here and put in a 20. And there we got 799. So I think it continues off in a positive direction there. Does it maybe switch and go in a, start going up over here on the negative side? Let's put in a -20. And that's a -801, so it's still going down. So I think we've got as much evidence as we can gain that this is actually a line. So let's go ahead and reveal. Yeah, so that's 40x minus 1, and we can graph that as well. And it's almost a vertical line. You can see it just comes to the right here by the time we get up to the upper part of the graph, and to the left on the lower part of the graph. So a very, very steep line crossing the y-axis at -1. Well, how did that go for you? Did you figure out that this was a linear function? Let me know. Thanks, everybody.